Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Amazons. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The fierce and fearless Amazons were known for their exceptional skills in battle. The term Amazons refers to a legendary group of female warriors from Greek mythology who were skilled in combat and revered for their strength and courage. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.